Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, and girls, sorry, ladies, gentlemen. I'm going to be working on Nova again today. My messy garage, tiny garage. Anyways, I'm going to try and get the bolts back out. Instead this time I'm going inside. I'm going to pull out the air box and see if I can access them from the backside, and maybe they'll come out that way instead of this way, because like last time I broke the extractor off and I just don't want to fight it. I could take my welder, weld onto it. Dave, the guy with the Mustang, had suggested I just weld it onto the end of the bolt and make it bigger so I can grab it with vice grips and work it out. I was going to try to weld just another nut or bolt to it, but anytime I pull the trigger on my welder, because I live in the 1930s, you know, the house was built in the 30s, so the wiring, I have to put in a bigger breaker and some bigger wire to run it, because it just pops the breaker as soon as I pull the trigger. I don't even strike an arc and it just blows, and so I don't want to mess with that right now. I'm going to do it the old-fashioned way and try to get them out by hand and fight that. So we'll see how this goes. My kids are out here as well. They're inside, but they were just out here and they're coming back out. So we'll see how much I can get done with them in my way and distracting me. So I'm going to get to it, see what I can get done, hopefully get those out, and then start, well, I would say start putting the front clip on, but I can't put the front clip on because we'll have my dad's engine sitting in front here, and there's absolutely no room if I put the front clip on to have an engine here too. So at least I'll get these out and it'll be ready, and then I'll start stripping some paint off the firewall and so I can paint it. Yeah, but I'm gonna get at it. Alright guys, I'm taking out the air box and all that fun stuff to get to the back side of the firewall to hopefully get the broken bolts out of the firewall. I've got one helper here. Not much of a helper really, she's a distraction. Oh, she says hi. And then I got another one over here. He's helping.
My own YouTube channel.
He's getting me tools when needed. I'm just hanging out in the back seat of the Nova.
I'm making my own YouTube channel.
Yeah, and he's making his own YouTube channel, just so you all know. This one is really curious. She says hi, everybody. But we're trying to get stuff done. I'm trying. It's kind of hard with these kids.
Do you know how to put stuff in the description?
At least the little one. The big one, he kind of distracts himself. He just asks a lot of questions, which is okay with me because I like teaching him. This one just likes to destroy everything and get into everything. She's just a little snotty right now. She's got a cold. But anyways, I'm going to get back to getting this box. I got it dropped out, literally. Just had one bolt holding it up to the top of the dash. And then all the cables and everything, and the ducting hoses, which are all rotted. And yeah, rotted. So I'll get new ones because, like I said, it's all going back in because it's going to be a street-driven car. I'm laying down on this awesome floor with all these sweet holes in it. Yeah, it's pretty awesome.
Dad, you know how
Anyways.
to put stuff in the description below?
Yeah.
Can you put my
Alright guys, the air box is out now. It's got the motor and all that. There was one other bolt up over here on the driver's side, but right just above the throttle pedal. Yeah, there's some awesome stuff in there. Oh, there you go. Now you can see it. Some leaves.
No.
Looks like some acorns. You know,
No.
it's a 60s car.
No.
And now I gotta pull all the insulation out
I'm gonna go get chocolate.
and get to. Alright, so I got the air box out, sitting over here under the steering wheel on the driver's side. And the upper bolts for the upper support are even higher than the air box, which I should have known. I just didn't. I didn't know. I didn't think about it. So this dash is like pretty much molded into the car. I don't know how it comes out. It looks like it's not riveted, but anyways, it's attached to the car. It won't come out. So hopefully I can take the dash pad off, because right underneath the dash pad there's steel underneath the dash. So maybe I'm hoping I can take the dash pad off and go in up through here. I don't know. I'm gonna take it off and find out. Hopefully I can get to them, because this is becoming a major pain in my ass. And hopefully these screws holding the dash pad down come up nicely without stripping? We'll find out. Brought some screwdrivers and my Milwaukee impact driver. I'm gonna try the impact driver first, see how this turns out. Oh, I don't want to do this. I really don't want to be doing this because this dash pad is so clean. And I've got to take it out, and hopefully I can get it back just as nice as it is, because I really like having a clean interior. I mean, it's not the cleanest interior, but for 63, it's not in terrible shape. I already put my foot through one of the holes in the floorboard, made it even bigger. So that was pretty awesome. Oh, I can already tell this is going to be a terrible idea. This piece of chrome is so nice. Set this back here on the back of the seat. Oh gosh, why? I don't want to take it off. Nope, I'm not doing it. Can't get to it anyways. And how? This is gonna be miserable. I know they've got to be right back in here. Look. Shit falling on my head. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. I'm going to put this dash pad back together because, like I said, I didn't want to take it apart in the first place. And I still can't get through to it, so it looks like I'm doing this the hard way. Alright guys, so I found a plug that might work for my welder. It doesn't pop the breaker as soon as I pull the trigger. It's in my basement, going to the 20 amp breaker for my clothes washer. So we're going to see if it works. I'm going to try. Sweet snap-on welding helmet. It's pretty beat up. I use it at work all the time. It's Iron Man, of course, as you can see. I got it when I got the welder. My son is obsessed with Iron Man and Marvel, pretty much, so I thought he'd think it was cool. I think it's pretty awesome. I get lots of comments on it. So, who doesn't like looking like Iron Man and welding? It's, you know, it's pretty awesome. So, I'm going to give this a shot. Can't get in there, it's too close to the firewall. I don't want to weld. Alright guys, so I got some weld built up. I've done this a couple times already, so I'm hoping this one I just keep breaking, the weld's breaking away or separating from the broken bolt. But I'm gonna show you what I got going on. I got some weld built up on them, and I'm gonna take a nut and plug weld it on the end of each one of these. I got this one to move back and forth a little bit, but I'm gonna weld a nut to them and try to work it out. See what happens. No promises. Like I said, I've done this like 2 or 3 other times, and it just keeps breaking at the weld because I can't get enough weld on it without welding it to the car itself, and I don't want to do that, obviously. So I'm gonna try it again and see what happens. Alright, so got my nut here. And I didn't get tacked on. Worried about burning my fingers here. Oh, it's still hot. But there's nuts on there now. One on each. Like I said, I welded around the back side and the bottom side, not just in the center. So that way, you know, it's all plug welded. That way I would have a little bit more meat to grab on. So I'm gonna put the camera back up here and see if I can't work them out. Let them cool off for a second. Take that chew out. No, I think it's beer 30 because this is just crazy. I've never had so much trouble getting a stupid broken bolt out. But when you have a car from the 60s, it's got rusty bolts. It makes it a pain in the ass. Guys, I haven't tried this. This Ace pineapple cider. So I guess it's not beer 30, cider 30. It's delicious. Tastes great. Alright. Alright guys, so, and girls, sorry, ladies and gentlemen. I didn't get the bolts out, but I did, however, get the extractor piece out. So that's a good thing. Got a handful of nuts here that I tried. That's how many times I tried. Granted, that was for both. I was trying to get that bolt to come out too. But yeah, and finally the extractor came out, so that was a plus. Got a little bit further. Now I'm done for the night. I'm exhausted from it. So I'm going to come back and try it again sometime this week. And then hopefully by the end of the week my dad gets his block from the machine shop. It's all paid for. We were just waiting for it to get finished up real quick. And it'll be over here and we'll have plenty of videos on assembly of that and all that fun stuff. He was going for a budget build. The only thing really budget on it is the turbos. The turbo kit. It's from eBay. Other than that, it has all good name brand internals, H-beam rods. It's all forged. It's all good stuff. So yeah, that's really the only thing that is budget about it is the turbo setup. On that note, I'm out. Have a good one. I hope you enjoy it. I'll See you guys next time.